Hey, it's Paul Zech with Coldwell Banker Realty. I'm out at 110 Crest Drive in Selva Beach, and I'm standing in the house that needs some TLC, but that is the view that I'm getting from what was the kitchen. So that's looking towards the Monterey Peninsula south, and then that's looking straight out south and back into what was the kitchen space. This was it. There's a window there that's kind of boarded up. And you can see that it's very, very framed, old light fixtures. So that was a kitchen. There was a door there, front door there. So looks like you had bedroom here. Like I said, there was a couple families that lived here. Bedroom here. Bathroom there, bedroom here, bathroom there. This then goes into another door, front door. So coming in here, we had, or have, entry area, living room. Back here was, don't know what this was. This was obviously a bathroom. And then we've got a couple of bedrooms back here. Bedroom here with a boarded up window. Bedroom here with a boarded up window. And then there is a very large space here. And it's quite large. So you can look like 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. I think that was a kitchen in the very back over there. You'd be a little careful of the floor here, a little bit unsure. Underneath me is an entirely open basement. So bedroom there, kitchen or bathroom back there. I think it was the kitchen actually. Bedroom here, big living room here, big panel, windows boarded up. Going outside. Sorry about the length of the video. Kind of a big footprint here. Backside, looking up, see the windows. The septic system is here. See the metal covers there. You've got large underground area here. Again, swallows are kind of in here. Anyway. This room here connects to another room. It's all right, guys. I'm not gonna bother you. Goes through to another space. It's quite large. Yep. There's a spot here. It's a big walk-in, was a big walk-in refrigerator. This goes into another large space here, which connects to the large space I was just in. Hot water heater here. It's a cylinder, yeah. The sun. That's the septic system. I know the leach field runs out this way. And this is outside looking at the rest of the property. Another nice view of the ocean. So the state park is right down the street from here. Probably a 3-4 minute walk actually. Okay, that's it.